So today, oh, the water's boiling. The water's boiling. Here's the stove. We have water. So I'm going to get a spoon. I have my oatmeal. I'm going to stir it in slowly. Okay, then immediately turn down the fire so it doesn't explode. It's 10:53, needs to cook for 5 minutes, so 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 10:58, we're going to just kind of stir, and we want to make sure that the oatmeal doesn't bubble up oil over the thing here. That's the pot. Okay. Now the phone's ringing. We're going to prep the banana, but hang on. Yes. Hi, May. Hi. Okay. We're back. The phone rang. We were going to prep the banana. Regular kitchen knife, it's like, I don't have all day. Okay. Sharp knife. Ta-da! So to prep your banana, you need to want to get rid of the skin. Can you see me? Get rid of the skin. Then, sometimes the very end is yucky. So, cut that off. Get your oatmeal. Looks delicious. Okay. So, scoop the oatmeal in. Put hot water on your pan right away, because the stuff cakes on. Alright, so hot water's going. Then step 1, peel to prep, then you just cut. Very simple. So we're cutting, and you know, sometimes you might cook it a little long, the oatmeal a little long, and it gets a little so I'm going to just add some soy milk. Okay, just a little bit, just to add a little bit of liquid to it. Okay. Oh, I thought I was out of cinnamon, but I'm not. I think I bought this 5 years ago. This is the amazing thing about cinnamon. I mean, the world could end, but cinnamon would go on. So, a little bit of cinnamon. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oatmeal, bananas. Your guests are going to love it. It's so easy. Bye.